Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see circle of diameter 50 and we need to inscribe and circumscribe a circle with a regular triangle. So first we'll take radius 25 and we'll draw a circle. Now we need to draw a triangle, so we'll divide the circle into 3 parts. So I will draw one vertical line. 360 divided by 3 would be 120 degree. So I need to draw 30 degree from that center O, like this. So I'll get 120 degree. And same on the other side. So you'll get 120, 120, 120 degree each. After this, we need to draw triangle. So what I'll do, I will extend this line and we'll draw tangent to this point. So we got the bottom one. Then we know this is how much? 30 degree. So I will take 60 degree. Same on the other side. Again I'll take 60 degree. So by doing this, what I'm doing, I'm drawing actually tangent. But since it's a triangle and we already have this z square, so we can draw it directly. So this is how we got triangle. This is 120 degree. Now they want to draw triangle inside, so you join all these 3 points, so you'll get triangle inside the circle. So all of you understood? When you want to draw 3 parts, we'll do 120. When you want to do 5 parts, because we have to do pentagon. Then the next time you draw a circle of radius 25 and then you divide that circle into 5 parts. So 360 divided by 5 would be 72 degree. So we'll mark 72 degree. We'll draw vertical line. Then we'll mark 72 degree. So this is 72 degree. We'll this distance and we'll cut on left, right. See this left side. Then we'll cut right side. Then again you cut from left side. This way you have divided circle into 5 parts. This is A, B, C, D, E. Now when you join A, B, C, D, E, you can get pentagon, which is inside the circle. See this, after joining OA, OB, OC, OD, OE, what I'm doing now, I'm drawing tangent at A. Same way I have to draw tangent at B, C, D, E. So then you'll get a pentagon. Now let's say if you don't want to draw tangent, then what? Then there is a method called parallel line method. In that, first we need to draw inside point. First we need to join inside point A, B, C, D, E. See this. This is I'm showing tangent. So this way you can draw tangent at point A. You take A to O, cut down. You'll get point P. And then bisect OP. So you'll get tangent. So this way you have to do it at all the points. So that is a long cut. See this. bisect OP. The same thing you can do, or what you see, this tangent you can do at each and every point, because we don't have standards, we don't have that angle. Now join inside points AB, BC, CD and DE and EA. So you'll get pentagon which is inside the circle. So inscribe is done. Now we need to do circumscribe. Now see this, what I'm doing, I'm drawing parallel line. See, if I want to draw line this, so I will draw parallel line. I wanted B, so I will take ED, parallel line, and I will draw a line passing through B. Same way I will take EA and draw a parallel line passing through C. Same way I will draw a line parallel to BC. Now draw a line passing through E. And same way draw a line parallel to AB passing through D. So this way you got pentagon outside the circle. So I hope everyone understood this. Thank you.